talking rivers, however, we believe there might be another way to understand the concept of rights. Most societies, human and beyond, have set of practices and ways to orchestrate relationships between individuals. In medieval Europe, property meant rights in land, which were the set of roles and responsibilities that a member of society had towards the ecosystem they called home. As the European ruling class started taking over larger and larger swaths of land, privatizing them for their own personal gain, rights in land became rights to land. Thus, the ruling class had the privilege and the right to exploit both land and people. At Talking Rivers, we are borrowing the ancient use of the word right. Yet, instead of humans having rights to a certain privilege, we believe that we have rights in relationship with the land and waters we call home. Having rights in place means that we are part of the web of relationships. It means acknowledging that we, humans, are part of nature. And if we acknowledge that we are part of nature, we acknowledge that we have the responsibility to represent nature's needs when we take decisions. We are not only making decisions for the microorganisms that make up our body. We are also making decisions for all the people that inhabit the water we drink, the air we breathe, and the land we inhabit.